Murfreesboro. This is a mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for west central Rutherford County in west central Tennessee until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a very large and violent tornado was observed near Marijuana Springs, moving east-northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Murfreesboro. This is a life or death situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be swept away without a trace. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is certain and complete destruction is likely. Several nearby passenger jets have cited debris reaching cruising altitude due to the sheer power of this tornado. You will not survive this tornado if you do not go underground. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro. To repeat, a very large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying